In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a discussion post. So if I go to the week 1 learning module and I click on the introduce yourself to the class, and you can see it's a discussion by that little bubble beside it. And so this says, here's the discussion topic. Please post 3 to 5 pictures and tell us why they're important to you. Give a little background. I want to hear about you. If you want to do a video, you can, and post the link for that. You have to have your initial post done by Friday, and then you've got to respond to 2 of your classmates by Sunday, the 28th. And remember, don't just say, hey, great pictures. Ask questions. Get to know each other. You're trying to build relationships. That's very important in the college experience. Okay, so I'm going to type a response. I'm doing my discussion. And so I'm going to try and attach my pictures, and let's see what happens. So I clicked on the little paper clip. I'm going to go to pictures, and I've got 5 of them in here. So if I click on control and then click the ones I want, that's how I'm going to be able to post more than one. And then I hit open, and it should put my pictures into the post. So there's the first one. If I'm working on my post, this is my dog, Isabel. She is a bug. And that's a Boston Terrier. Pug mix. She's going to be 9 this year. And she's my child, basically, because my son is now graduated from college and on his own. She goes everywhere with me, and she has bad separation anxiety. She gets mad when I go to work, when I go anywhere, and she doesn't get to go. Then I'm going to click down below that, maybe return a couple times. This is me and my husband, Scott, my wedding picture. We just celebrated our 17th anniversary earlier this month. Scott's also a teacher at the college. If you're a business major, you might have him for an instructor or even an advisor. And I'm not making these as long as I would. I'm trying to show you the general idea. Then I'm going to click below that. This is one of my grand dogs. His name is Scooby. He's hilarious. Oh my gosh. And he is so crazy. He loves water and getting in the pool when it's hot outside. Scroll up a little more. You can also put your pictures into a Word document and type your descriptions there and just attach your Word document. Any attachments, this clip right here. And you can click through the different options and play with those if you want. Okay, this is my other grand dog. Her name is Nala. She's also crazy. She does not like the water. She loves to walk right behind you and bite at your ankles. And she's actually some kind of a herding dog, a hanging tree, I think is what she is. And so that's kind of why we decide she does the ankle biting thing. And then my last picture, this is my son, me and my son Eric. He is a pitching coach at Lamar Community College. He is 27. Love spending time with them. We enjoy baseball and other sports. He graduated from UNC with his master's degree in sports coaching in May of, let's see, I think 2020. So just a little bit of information about me and my family, my pets. Then I click respond. And now you can see there's my post right there. And then if you wanted to comment on it, all you would have to do I don't think it'll let me show, but you should be able to reply or comment. There should be a button. Let me see if I go back in there, what happens. Yeah, because it's my post, it's not given, but there's a button underneath for you to respond to people. So you'll read through the posts and then you'll respond to a minimum of 2. If you have any questions about anything with discussions, please let me know. Thank you.